I'm going to show you the basics of creating an animated pattern in After Effects. First, I'll start with the basic composition settings you need, then I'll share the effect that actually creates that pattern effect. If you're interested in how to create this specific rainbow circle animation, I'll be creating a tutorial for that and we'll link that in the description or at the end. Let's go. To make your animated pattern, the first thing that you want is to have a composition with your animation in it. Now this could be an image, it could be a video, looping video, an animation that you've created in After Effects. It really doesn't matter, but what it does need to be is square. So in my case I've gone with 400 by 400. It could be smaller than that, could be bigger than that, whatever it needs to be for you. Just make sure that it is square. So I'm going to press OK, and in my case for this tutorial I have created an animation that I'm just going to paste in here. All you need to know is that depending on your animation, you probably don't want it touching the edges. There are some cool tricks that you could do if it crosses over the edges, but in this case we're just going to make sure there is a margin. So I'm going to select all of my layers, right click and pre-compose, name it, move all attributes and press OK. And on my next composition, I'm just going to change the settings to 1920 by 1080. This can of course be whatever composition settings that you need. Press OK. Then I'm going to come over to Effects and Presets and grab the CC Wrapper tile and drop this onto my layer. And if I drag out these numbers, you will see this pattern taking effect. Very cool. You can actually scale up, press S and scale this up and down if you want, or whatever your preference might be. And you can also go into tiling and change the way it's tiling. For example, I could change this to brick and have a slightly different layout. There you have it. Make sure to click this video right here to see what else you can do within After Effects. See you in the next one. Bye!